How to create trading account. Are you guys facing issues to create trading account on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create trading account on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just select your platform. For example, if you are familiar with MetaTrader 5 or related to forex and CFDs, then just simply select MetaTrader 5. Or if you are familiar or you are experienced cryptocurrency trader, then just simply select crypto futures, and same goes for PX trader. So I'm going to choose MetaTrader 5. Once you select it, click on next. Now select your currency. Once you select it, click on create new account. However, to create a new real account, you need to deposit funds. If you don't have funds, then just simply select demo account and click on create new account. Now click on go to trading, and that's it guys. That's how you create an account on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. In order to create this trading account, go to your MetaTrader 5 application. Once you go there, you need to write down this server and login password. That's it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.